can't condemn the ghetto youth them to obscurity. You get what I say? We have to draw them back. We have to teach them because watch out, everybody up on the same wavelength, You know, see it. And when you find yourself on a certain wavelength, you can't go on like say that's it. You have to teach those who don't know. You get what I say? Because remember, the Almighty not come for call the righteous, He come for save the one the unrighteous. You get what I say? So if some of you are going like you want to walk in the light of righteousness and not calling, demanding or begging the unrighteous to come to the fore, you can't condemn the unrighteous or the last. Like so well then that's it for them. Laziness that and show off ego. You get what I say? Teach the youth them what them for know. Reinforce them self-confidence and them self-esteem because no slavery took that away. You know see it? Slavery took that away by diminishing the youth, them humanity rasta. Youth, them all them can't trust me. If you have a history of nothing but abuse, you being bullied and beaten down and things like that, you don't want to know the history there. That now gonna make you feel good amongst your peers. You want, be rebellious and try to prove yourself at all time, try to prove your worth. You understand? Not like I'm just using that as a scenario about the fact that the matter. Everybody like you them I try to prove them worth. I try to prove so them a human and them value something and whatever rate it is. You understand? And it's a uphill struggle because there's no assistance to this. You understand? Mr. Government has set up no pattern and a plan where the youth them can emulate and develop themselves after. Mr. Government leave it up to them. You understand what I say? State of hopelessness. You get what I say? So you don't know, man. A phone job, our job, everybody's job. Teach the youth them, man. Make the youth them value them life and themselves. You know, see, because no matter where a man have, no matter where a man have, yeah, if that man don't have self-worth and self-value, nothing mean anything. You get what I say? Think about it, Nothing don't really mean anything without the individual, without the person who it means something to. You get what I say? So if that person's personality no mean anything to him, nothing no mean nothing, Rasta, and that's a tragic life. You see it? And you can't sit down and watch it and criticize it and act like you're a professor, you know it. Like a show off, because at the end of the day, you never know at some point, I learn it, You see it? And like you have the knowledge and you just glad feet and because you have it and you drawn to it quicker. It's like, so well then, condemn those, the other one, them, You know what I say? No, man, change the strategy, man. I could change the strategy, man. I could go down at the youth, them level, man, and pick them up, man, and build them up, man. See, just like children, Rasta. See, children do what them do and do what them know until you teach them better, see it? More blessed, man. A children, more blessed.